Hey guys, welcome to Digital Analyst, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot with Typeform. So first go to zapier.com/dashboard. Now on the left side click on create a zap. So first select your trigger. So our trigger will be Typeform. Our event will be new entry, connect the Typeform. Click on accept. Click on continue. Click on continue, and there we go. So now our action will be HubSpot. So now just fill in the details. So I'm just gonna choose one of them. Click on continue, and that's how you create a Zap where you can connect Typeform with HubSpot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.